Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tintin. If you're dreaming of working on a cruise ship, not as part of the bar or restaurant crew, but as someone who keeps everything safe, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about how to pass your security guard interview for a job on board a cruise ship. Whether you're from military background, ex-police, or private security, your skills are in demand at sea. So let's break down what to expect, what to prepare, and how to answer those tricky questions. First things first, what does a cruise ship security guard do? Your responsibilities will include maintaining the safety and security of passengers and crew, controlling access to restricted areas, screening luggage and guests during embarkation, monitoring CCTV and conducting patrols, responding to emergencies, conflicts, or suspicious behavior, assisting in crew drills and crowd control. This isn't just standing at a door. You're responsible for the overall safety of the ship. It's a serious job. What they look for in a candidates. Cruise lines look for applicants who are physically fit and alert, experience in law enforcement or security, good in handling people under pressure, professional and well-spoken, able to work with diverse nationalities, and last, fluent in English. Plus, having a STCW certificate, PSCRB, or crowd management training gives you a big edge. Let's go through some common interview questions and how you can answer them confidently. Tell us about your security experience. I've worked in private security for 5 years, including mall and corporate settings. I've also trained in handling emergency situations, CCTV monitoring, and conflict resolutions. I'm trained in basic first aid and I'm used to rotating ships. I believe this experience will help me adapt quickly on a cruise ship where discipline and alertness are vital. How would you handle a drunk passenger causing a disturbance? First, I would approach calmly, introduce myself, and try to escalate verbally. If they continue to be aggressive, I would follow company protocol, contact my supervisor, or involve other security personnel. Safety of all guests comes first, and my goal is always to calm the situation without force. How do you handle working long hours and night shifts? I'm used to long shifts and staying alert, even during night duty. I manage my rest well and stay fit. On a cruise ship, I understand the need for constant vigilance, and I'm mentally prepared for that. Why do you want to work on a cruise ship? I've always wanted to work in a dynamic international environment. A cruise ship offers not just travel, but the chance to grow in a professional security role. I want to serve and protect in a way that also allows me to experience life at sea. Alright, now let's talk about the most important part, how to prepare and present yourself during your cruise ship security guard interview. These tips could be a difference between a rejection and a contract. Dress like a professional officer. Wear a clean formal outfit, preferably a long-sleeve polo or dress shirt, dark slacks, and leather shoes. Cruise lines want to see someone who can represent their brand. If you already look like part of a disciplined team, they'll trust you can act the part too. Looking sharp shows self-respect and readiness. Be confident, not cocky. Speak clearly. Make eye contact and avoid fidgeting. Start with a firm handshake, if in person, and smile politely. Confidence shows you can lead and handle pressure, but overconfidence can be a red flag, especially in security, where calm judgment is more important than ego. Know the role and the challenges. Research the cruise line and learn about the ship's layout, security protocols, and the company safety culture. Interviewers are impressed by candidates who understand why they're signing up for. If you know what a day looks like for a cruise ship security guard, they'll see you're serious and prepared. Show you're physically and mentally fit. Mention your physical training, gym habits, or mental discipline routines. If you play sports or train regularly, say it. Onboard security guards work long hours, patrol multiple decks, and respond to emergencies without delay. The job demands stamina, alertness, and clear thinking, even during night shifts or rough seas. Highlight your experience with people. Talk about how you handle conflicts, help guests, or work in multicultural teams. Security isn't just about strength, it's about diplomacy. Cruise ships are floating cities. You'll deal with thousands of guests from all over the world. Being respectful, calm, and culturally sensitive is crucial. Prepare your documents like a pro. Bring copies of your updated resume, valid passports, seaman's book, basic training, police or NBI clearance, and medical records. Organized candidates make the best impression. If your papers are complete and ready, the recruiter will see that you're low risk and ready to deploy. Show willingness to learn and adapt. Even if you have experience, say that you're open to learning the cruise line's protocols and adjusting to life at sea. Life on board is very different from land-based jobs. Flexibility and humility are essential for new crew. And last, ask smart questions at the end. If the interviewer asks, "Do you have any questions for us?" Don't say none. Ask things like, what are the most common challenges for shipboard security staff? How does your team handle high-volume embarkation days? This shows you're thinking ahead and truly interested in the role, not just in getting the contract. Remember this, security may not be the most visible role on board, but it's one of the most important. Your presence keeps thousands of people safe. If you're passionate, disciplined, and ready to face challenges, this career is for you. So to all aspiring shipboard security officers, prepare hard, speak with confidence, and go get that job. Don't forget to like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more cruise ship career tips. Good luck, future crew member. Stay sharp and stay safe.